And we are now in Del Monte, driving through plantations of pineapple. In front is Mount Kitangan.
Continue for 12 kilometers.
We are now entering Camp Phillips. Siyempre, dito yung malaking pineapple. Hello mga kasenyor, it's 5 o'clock here in Maramag, Bukidnon, and today we are going on a road trip to Manolo Portage. We will be visiting its Dahilayan Forest Park. We'll be visiting its municipio, church. We'll be going to Del Monte and Camp Phillips, and we'll be exploring other sites of Manolo Portage. So join me as we go on a road trip to Manolo Portage and explore its attractions. Let's go! Clouds. Good morning, Bukidnon. Good morning. Driving through Ramay. Great sea of clouds. Okay, we are now driving through Maramag. Great sea of clouds. Stop over at Maramag Commercial Center before proceeding to we're now at Sayre Highway and we're now going to Manolo Portage. Maramag Municipal Hall. Good morning, Maramag. So we are now passing through Valencia City, the commercial capital of Bukidnon. So may mga passports dito na I can see Jollibee, McDonald's. City. There's a new Gaisano mall ba to? Kami nagsusuba. Yan. Sarap ng mall. So on the right side, we now have Robinson's Place, Valencia, Bukidnon. Yan. Yan ang Robinson's Place, Valencia. Sarado pa siya, but it's still very early naman. So welcome to Malaybalay, the capital of Bukidnon. Pasok na tayo ng Malaybalay City. So ito na yung Malaybalay City, the capital of Bukidnon. Yan yung provincial capital, yung Kamunan Park.
Manay, kung kaya, manay ka na yung ganito na. Manay. Manay ka kasi.
I see. Ano to? Mall? So, sakanan natin yung park. Yung simbahan. Ito, may guys, ano pala? Siyempre may Jollibee sila. Dito na tayo sa Impasugong. Ito na mga puno. So dyan sa may right side ang papuntang Communal Rides, sa may Tugan Waterfalls, Impasugong bypass. So we are now passing through one of the tallest bridges dito sa Mindanao. Yan. Mahaba rin yung bridge na yun. It's a very very tall bridge. The right side is the tourism office of Impasugong. This is where you will get your guide to go to communal rides and other attractions. And now we will soon be entering the town of Sumilao. We are now in Sumilao. Right side is Alanong Falls. And that side is the Municipal Hall of Sumilao. This became famous with the group of farmers who marched to Manila during the time of I believe Corazon Aquino. So we are now at Mangima and we are about 16 kilometers to reach Manolo Portage, ng Ganda Kalsada. So there's a zigzag here, the very famous zigzag. So CTO here, kanan. Kala ito CTO. Okay.
Balik ka.
Ha?
Basta-basta na. Hindi, ito ka Mangima kasi to. Dito tayo makadaan sa Lulunti kung dito ka dadaan.
Okay. We are now entering the town of Manolo Portage. Ito yung pinaka-poblasyon. I can see already Jollibee. So, this is Manolo Portage. now going to Dahilayan Forest Park. So dito na tayo sa Campinet Road. And this goes all the way to Dahilayan. This is Del Monte Farm. I believe this is the clubhouse and we can see many cows. There's something at church. And we are now in Del Monte, driving through plantations of pineapple. In front is Mount Kitanglan. Endless field of pineapple, probably already harvested. And they say pineapple here, every single day they can harvest one big lot of pineapples. So Pineapple Del Monte, lawak, huge. That's Mount Kitanglan, and this is the pineapple plantation of Del Monte. Kakaliwa to Dahilayan. Saan tayo?
Asa yung papuntang linya ko yun?
Dito yata tayo nakaliwa.
Continue for 12 kilometers.
We're now entering Camp Phillips. Siyempre, bilay malaki yan. Malaking pineapple. We are now inside Camp Phillips, so we can still see the houses of the expat who used to stay here in Del Monte. The beautiful old houses of Camp Phillips. This is the ganda niya, parang nasa Amerika kayo. So they have football. going to drive through the pineapple plantation. Nice. In front is Mount Kitanglad. So, harvest season. Harvest season. Every day we harvest one portion of the plantation. So we just left Del Monte and we're now proceeding to the Hilayan. So now banana plantation on the right. Ganda, pine tree, oh. May mga pine tree. Ganda na ano, bamboo. Yung saan dito tayo magagaling? Kaliwa. Kaso rough road pala siya. Barangay Dahilayan. This is now Barangay Dahilayan.
Continue on Dahalayan Road for 1.5 kilometers.
Yung mga lodging houses. This is now Barangay Dahilayan. There's plenty of resorts, lodging houses, restaurants around this area. Yan o.
Man, ayaw i-stop ninyo kung sakay ta ato ha. Dili mag-stop sa ato, bunggo ko sa likod. Katong anak, bitaw siya.
So,
300
welcome
meters,
to
turn right to stay on Dahilayan Road.
Welcome to Dahilayan. This road goes to Forest Park. 2 kilometers. O, kasama yan. So, yun o. There's plenty of
Ayun na nga po,
Antonio's Cafe, Southern Ridge na.
you know, may aeroplano.
Yes. I think adventure. And then we're going to the Forest Park. That's Adventure Park and this is the Forest Park.
In 200 meters, your destination will be on the left.
Yun yung may zip line.
In the Adventure Park.
Your destination is on the left.
This is Forest Park. So we just arrived arrived at Dahilayan Forest Park. It's about 3-hour drive from Maramag. And its elevation is about 1,220. Let's go to registration area. Ticketing. 2 senior, 3 adult.
Again, sir, the 2 senior and then 3 adults.
Yes.
666.
It's already, senior is discounted, and then let's go in. Pasok na tayo. Let's go in. So here's the entrance. Let's go in. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, ito na yan. There's plenty of So, welcome to Dahilayan. These are totem pole Indians, cowboy and Indians. There's a picture here. One drone. Smile, 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 smile. Smile, smile, smile. Elephant. Monkey bar.
Support naman yung harness. Support. Survey, faster!
Evet. Hindi, pwede naman lumabas. Meron namang ano. Oo. Wala na, meron naman tayong ano. So, we just arrived dito sa Dahilayan Forest Park and this is the picnic area. Relax muna tayo. Pwede pala mag-picnic dito. Then muna, kung kinuha muna namin ang pagkain, then we'll be having our lunch here. Alright folks, we are here at the Dahilayan Forest Park. There are actually, we realize there's so many parks here. There's the adventure park wherein you can do the zip line. This is the park wherein you can take the whole family. There's a picnic ground. Our elevation is about 1,215 meters above sea level. We are on the foot of Mount Kitanglad and it's a very nice place because cold weather and we see very nice pine trees around this area, particularly in this picnic ground area. So we'll be having a picnic right here and you can bring in food and enjoy the facilities. In the meantime, let's just walk around and see what other attractions the Forest Park offers. Picnic time. So we have pasta and we have hot dog and we have rice. Okay, we are here at the Hilayan Forest Park. We're having a picnic and then may baon kami. So kaway kayo, kaway. Ano?
Ito pa yung delicacy namin sa Hilayan.
Ano yan?
Tawag po dito sa Bichiko, Tamalis. Tawag po dito sa Cebu, Pintos. Sa amin dito, Binaki po tawag ito.
Binaki, so mais yan na wala.
Mais na giniling, nilupak po ng Tagalog.
Nilupak na lahat. So,
Wala na po itong buto, makakain ko lang. Masarap po ito sa Hilayan na po itong
Dahilayan, parang, ano,
parang kakanin namin.
parang kakanin. So, subukan natin. Okay, bili-bili tayo kay Kuya. Ano pangalan mo, Kuya?
Lloyd.
Lloyd, so,
Meron din kaming purple. Ito yung herbal corn.
herbal corn. Okay. Pero ang
Ito, sweet corn.
sweet corn. Pero gusto natin subukan yung delicacy ng Dahilayan. Okay. So, susubukan natin. Parang, let's try. So, susubukan natin yung tinatawag lang binakot. Mangkot siya. Ano siya? Parang, yung minash na ano na mais na sweet corn. Sabi na. Sanado ha. Good. Pineapple harvest. Wala naman akong makita ang pinya.
Wala nang kumain. Tapos na natin.
Tapos na raw yung harvest. Kaya tinatanggal na lang siguro, tatanim na lang siguro. The houses of Del Monte. Camp Phillips, Del Monte. So Del Monte. Welcome to Camp Phillips. Ito ng pinangarap na tigilan ang pineapple dito sa Del Monte. Ang pinya ng Camp Phillips. Okay, we just found the U.S. Air Force Del Monte Airfield. This site at the Clum, Manolo Portage, marks the area of the Del Monte Airfield, which served as the base for B-17 bombers of the the 24th Pursuit Squadron. This airfield became the strategic staging point for the remaining air asset of the United States Armed Forces Far East until surrender in May 1942. General Douglas MacArthur, Supreme Commander of the USAP, after a daring escape by PT boat from Corregidor, Bataan, in Luzon, flew out from the airfield on March 17 with his family and stopped to Australia, where he declared his famous phrase, "I shall return." Dito pala nanggaling si MacArthur. Dito siya muna tumigil from Corregidor, and then he flew from this airfield to Australia. Wow, very historic pala talaga itong lugar na to. Welcome to Manolo Portage Municipal Hall. Immaculate Conception Parish Church of Manolo Portage. We have this unusual colored plaza in front of the church. There's this unusual monument at the plaza. It's been lighted at night. They have a gymnasium, Manolo Portage Gymnasium. It's a tourism rest area. Let's see if it's open. The restroom. Let's see. Wow. Nice. Very clean there. For tourists, this is very convenient. It's nice. Bukidnon. Mabuhay! Hello again, folks. I guess I have to end my Manolo Portage vlog right in front of their very colorful plaza. So we started very early. I think we left around 5:30 in the morning from Maramag, and we traveled all the way to Manolo Portage, which is about 160 kilometers from Maramag, and Dahilayan is another 25 kilometers. It was a very scenic drive because we are practically driving on highlands. We see a lot of very nice view along the way. We saw a lot of sea of clouds and very scenic views all over the Saire Road. And then we reached Manolo Portage at around 8:30 in the morning, and then from Manolo Portage Poblacion, we took a 26 kilometers drive to Dahilayan, passing through the very scenic pineapple plantation of Del Monte, and also Camp Phillips, which is actually where the headquarters of Del Monte. So we proceeded to the forest park in Dahilayan. Please take note that there are two parks in Dahilayan, the forest park as well as the adventure park. Forest park, the entrance is 150, and the adventure park is entrance is 100. So you can do a lot of activities inside these two parks. You can do zip line, you can do picnic, you can do any other activities. But what I like most is that the very nice pine-covered forest of these two parks. So from Dahilayan, we continue our drive and then explore again the pineapple plantation, and then surprisingly, we were able to see the General MacArthur Monument in what used to be the airfield here in Del Monte. It's very historic because they say that after General MacArthur escaped from Corregidor, he proceeded to Manolo Portage, and then from here he flew to Australia. And from there, we explored also the municipal hall, the city hall, Manolo Portage. We went also to the plaza, to the Immaculate Conception Church. And then finally, we were able to see and experience the facilities of the tourist rest area of the Department of Tourism, wherein they have one here in Manolo Portage. If you, in case you pass by this area, do drop by the tourist area because it's very good, because you can do a lot of things. You can drink coffee, you can ask for information, and they have a very good restroom. So with that, thank you very much for joining me in this exploration of Manolo Portage. It's a very nice gateway to the rest of Bukidnon. It's only about an hour drive from Cagayan de Oro, and from Malamag it's about 3 hours. So thank you very much for watching. Until the next vlog, see you soon.